Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a Fenty Beauty lip paint swatch video. So if this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button so you never miss a video such as this one. You also want to be notified when those videos come out, so click that notification bell and make sure you're notified for all of my future uploads. And once you do that, make sure you hashtag notification gang down there in the comment section so I know to shout you out in a future video. So leave a smiley face down below if you guys are as excited as I am about this video. For those of you who have not been living under a rock, Rihanna's makeup line Fenty Beauty released 4 new liquid lipsticks over the last, I think it was 2 weeks ago. She released 4 new liquid lipsticks and she did them like one day, then she skipped a day, then she did another one, then she skipped a day, then she did another one, and then she skipped a day, and then she did another one. And of course my ass bought all 4 of them. I've been waiting for Rihanna to come out with more liquid lipsticks ever since she came out with her first one, and this one is in Uncensored, and it was this beautiful red shade. You guys, if you've been watching me, you know I already owned this one, and this is a permanent staple in her makeup line. But she said, I'm not done with you heifers. I'm going to come out with more. They are the most beautiful shades. So I am going to try them all on today. I have only tried on one of them so far. I have not tried on the other 3. So you guys are going to see my raw reactions to the liquid lipsticks and the shades. As far as the formula goes, I think it's the same formula. I haven't heard that there was a formula change, so I think it's the same formula of this first lip paint, and this is, again, this is the one in Uncensored, and I did enjoy this formula. It wasn't the most long wearing liquid lipstick, but it definitely stayed on for a while. The formula was pretty comfortable. It wasn't like extremely dry, so I really enjoyed that about the liquid lipstick. I actually just took this on a trip that I went to Florida, and I just love this Stunna lip paint. So hopefully these are all the same formulas and I will love them also. So what we're gonna do is start with the original and work our way up. I'm gonna show you guys what the red looks like first. First thing to notice is they all have this like weird shaped doe foot applicator. It is not my favorite applicator, I will say that, but it's okay because the product inside is beautiful. So this is the Stunna lip paint in Uncensored, the most beautiful red comfortable formula. I can move my lips, they're not like sticking together and dry and cracking. This is like perfection for a formula. I absolutely love it. So of the new tribe that she came out with, Unveil was the first shade, and it is a beautiful like chocolate brown shade, like the perfect brown shade. So let's go ahead and try that on. So the next one that was released was Uncuffed, which is this gorgeous mauve shade. Next is Unbuttoned. This is a beautiful like peachy nude. Shade, this is the one that gets me all giddy. This one is Uninvited, and it is the Jet Black Gorgeousness. the swatches of her liquid lipsticks, 5 different shades all together. They all felt really nice and really comfortable. The only issue that I had was the one that I was the most excited about, and that is with the black. I had to layer that several times just to get this effect, and I feel like I can still build it up some more. Like, it's still not as black as I like it. I like it a little less thin, but I mean, I guess I can always build it up. I don't think I've ever had a black liquid lipstick. I've only had black, like, normal regular lipstick, so I think that's where the difference comes in. Liquid formula is a liquid formula, so you're gonna have to build up the really, really deep colors, but if you're okay with building it up, I think this is a good find. But all of the other 4 are absolutely amazing. They feel good on the lips. They look good. Which one is this? Unbutton, which is the lightest one. I would probably put a lip liner on with my skin tone or deeper. But if you're lighter than me, then you'll be perfectly fine without a lip liner. Other than that, I'll be testing these out throughout the month. If you guys have any questions about the liquid lipsticks or want to see any other individualized videos or tutorials with them, then just let me know. Other than that, don't forget to follow me on social media, on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. That is the best way to keep up with me in between uploads. And you might see a sneak peek of me wearing these liquid lipsticks also on my vlog channel. So make sure you are subscribed there as well. And that's just Bradley TV here on YouTube. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next one.